You need 1 liter milk, ghee, milk made, 1 cup of sugar and some slices of bread. Add milk to the vessel and let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes on high flame. As it keeps boiling, just make sure you have the cream collected on the sides of the vessel. Keep doing the procedure for the next 5 to 7 minutes. Add saffron to the milk which is getting boiled and add milk maid so that the consistency becomes thick. Now the milk has been boiling for about 15 minutes or so, and you can see the rabdi is almost getting done, which is thick and yellowish. Cups of water, and 1 cup of sugar to prepare the sugar syrup as required. Saffron to the thick sugar syrup. Cut the sides of the bread and keep it ready. Cut them into equal halves. In the preheated vessel, I have added ghee to fry the bread pieces. You can either use ghee or oil as required. Here I have used ghee and done shallow frying. Add the bread pieces on medium-low flame. Fry it on both sides till they are golden brown in color. Do the same procedure for the rest of the bread slices. Add the fried breads into the sugar syrup and keep them aside on a plate. Now you can see the bread slices are already fried and ready. So keep them aside. Add the rabdi on a plate. With the crunchy bread slices on top of it. Here dry fruits like cashew nuts or badam which I have used. This is optional. And yay, your Shahi Tukda is ready to be served.